All right. All right, here we go. Lori, this is for you, and Kelsey, this will help as well, I think. We're going to take a look at this woman. So first thing we want to do is get a nice sphere. Make sure the camera looks good, okay? All right. There's my one, there is my sphere. Now I'm going to take my pencil and tilt it until I find my 2D. Okay, there's my 2D. Looks pretty good. Just checking, right? And now her head's coming forward. So top of her head's gonna be up here. And okay. And let's get the sides of her head. Lori, this little corner here that you were wondering about, this is the jaw. This is the corner of the jaw. Okay. At the corner of the jaw, right above it, it's going to be the ear. We're going to talk about that though. Okay. And also right here, as I'm looking at the picture, her neck is coming down. I do like to put in the necks. They help to help show direction of the head. This little marker here, it's not totally clear in the picture, but this is where her pit in the neck is going to be. And just continuing down this line, so I just have a little more reference. There's that left hand shoulder. I can see that it's like crossing in there. And there's her right hand shoulder. Okay. That's it. That's basically the head in that direction. I'll also add up here, she has her bandana. Okay. Today we're going to continue to talk about, I'll have to take a look, but this is her temple. Oh, yes, I know what we're going to talk about. Her temple, the brow line comes around, and then you have your center line. This is where everything's going to line up, right? And we're going to talk about, I'll continue this so you can get an idea. We're going to talk about drawing this mask of a face in order to establish where that eyes are going to fall. Her nose. Okay. Drawing lightly here. This is the barrel of the mouth. We'll talk about it as well. Chin's coming down. Still making some adjustments here. This is the corner of her mouth. That's what you were. This is the corner of the jaw. I'm sorry. Ears are coming up here. Still making adjustments. This is why I go light at first. All right. And then my eye line is going to be right along along there. Okay, how's that? That's how you do it using the sphere method. As I don't want to dry more right now, I want to kind of keep it just keep you focused on getting that basic head shape. Okay, there you go.